Have you ever wondered why monkeys are so similar to us, yet so unique in their own ways? Monkeys, our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, share about 98% of our DNA. This remarkable genetic similarity results in behaviors, emotions, and social structures that are uncannily human-like. Yet despite these striking resemblances, monkeys possess distinct traits that set them apart. They thrive in a variety of habitats, from the dense jungles of the Amazon to the snowy mountains of Japan. And did you know that there are over 260 different species of monkeys, each with unique characteristics, habits, and appearances that make them fascinating creatures to study? From the tiniest pygmy marmoset to the largest mandrill, the world of monkeys is as varied as it is fascinating. Intrigued? Well, keep watching as we unravel the fascinating world of monkeys. Monkeys aren't all the same. There's a wide variety of species, each with its own unique characteristics. Let's start with a little one, the pygmy marmoset. These tiny primates, often called finger monkeys, weigh only about 5 ounces. Their small size helps them live high up in the treetops of South America, feeding on the sap of trees. They communicate using a complex system of vocal, visual, and chemical signals, making them quite the chatterboxes. Moving to a larger scale, let's visit the capuchin monkeys of Central and South America. These intelligent creatures are known for their tool usage. In fact, they're one of the few animal species that use tools for multiple purposes. They're also social butterflies, living in groups of up to 40 members, and have a diverse range of vocal calls to communicate with each other. Then there's the spider monkey, named for their long limbs and tail, which allow them to swing from tree to tree, much like a spider weaves its web. They are one of the most agile climbers in the monkey world, and they use this skill to traverse the rainforests of Central and South America. Now, let's take a look at one of the most colorful monkeys out there, the mandrill. These large monkeys are native to Africa and are known for their vibrant colored faces and rumps, which grow brighter when the monkey is excited. They're also known for their large canine teeth, which can be as long as 2 3/4 inches. Finally, we can't forget the proboscis monkey, a Borneo native. These monkeys stand out due to their large, pendulous noses, which are believed to amplify their calls, attracting females and intimidating rival males. So you see, monkeys come in all shapes and sizes, each more fascinating than the last. Their unique adaptations and behaviors show us the incredible diversity of life on our planet and remind us of the importance of preserving these amazing creatures and their habitats. Monkeys are found all over the world, but where exactly do they call home, you might ask? Well, let's embark on an imaginary journey to explore the diverse habitats of these fascinating creatures and see how these environments shape their behaviors and lifestyles. In the dense, vibrant jungles of South America, we find monkeys such as the iconic howler, named for its thunderous vocalizations that echo through the canopy. Here, the monkeys are arboreal, spending most of their lives high in the treetops, leaping from limb to limb, feasting on fruits, leaves, and insects. The jungle's vertical space encourages their acrobatic lifestyle, and their diet influences their social structure, often leading to groups with a single dominant male. Now let's swing over to the other side of the world, to the mountains of Japan, home to the snow monkeys, or Japanese macaques. Unlike their jungle cousins, these monkeys have adapted to life in a colder climate, with thicker fur to keep them warm in the harsh winter months. They've even learned to enjoy hot springs, a behavior unique to this species. Their environment has led them to develop a more terrestrial lifestyle, foraging on the ground for roots and insects beneath the snowy surface. And then there are the baboons of Africa, living in the savannas and rocky areas. They're very adaptable, omnivorous monkeys, eating a wide range of foods from fruits, grasses, and seeds to small mammals and birds. Their habitat encourages a more ground-based lifestyle, and their diet necessitates a complex social structure to protect their diverse food sources. From the tropical rainforests of South America, the monkeys swing through the trees, their calls echoing through the dense foliage. In the chilly mountains of Japan, they huddle together for warmth, their breath fogging up in the cold air. And on the African savannas, they forage in the golden grass, their eyes ever watchful for predators. From the tropical rainforests to snowy mountains, monkeys have made every corner of the world their home. Now that we know where they live, let's delve into their interesting behaviors. Monkeys, like humans, are social creatures. They live in groups known as troops, which can range from a handful to several hundred individuals. Each troop has a complex social hierarchy, often determined by factors like age, gender, and strength. In many species, the alpha male leads the troop, making important decisions and maintaining order. But don't be fooled. The females have a significant role too, often forming tight-knit bonds and alliances that can influence the troop's dynamics. Communication within the troop is key, and monkeys have developed a range of methods to convey messages. Vocalizations like hoots, screams, and calls are common, varying in pitch and volume to express different emotions or alert others to danger. But it's not all about sound. Monkeys also use visual cues, like facial expressions and body postures, to communicate. A bared teeth smile, for instance, can be a sign of submission, not happiness. Now let's talk about grooming. It's not just about keeping clean. For monkeys, grooming is a social activity, a way of strengthening bonds and establishing alliances. It's also a calming activity, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Behavioral differences among monkey species are fascinating. For example, capuchin monkeys are known for their tool use, cracking open nuts with rocks, while howler monkeys, true to their name, have the loudest calls in the animal kingdom, heard up to 3 miles away. These behaviors are often influenced by their habitats. Monkeys living in areas with a high predator presence, for example, tend to develop more sophisticated alarm calls. Monkeys also display a range of emotions, including joy, anger, and grief, further emphasizing their complexity. They play, fight, reconcile, and even mourn their dead, exhibiting behaviors remarkably similar to humans. Monkeys truly are social animals with complex behaviors, aren't they? The more we learn about them, the more we realize how much we have in common with these fascinating creatures. Their behaviors serve as a mirror, reflecting our own social structures, communication methods, and emotional depth. We've embarked on a fascinating journey into the world of monkeys today. We've delved into the plethora of monkey species that inhabit our planet, each with its unique features and characteristics. From the smallest pygmy marmoset to the largest mandrill, we've seen that the world of monkeys is as diverse as it is intriguing. We've also journeyed across the globe, exploring the myriad of habitats these remarkable creatures call home. From the dense rainforests of the Amazon to the Rocky Mountains of Japan, monkeys have adapted to thrive in a variety of environments, showcasing their remarkable resilience and adaptability. And who could forget the intriguing behaviors we've explored? From their complex social structures to their ingenious problem-solving skills, monkeys truly are masters of survival. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. We hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for our primate cousins. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.